Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. This is Shomojit Dev. Let us begin with the question number 1. We say that if A, B are 2 cross 2 matrix given by -1, 3 by 2, -1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and I, B are 2 cross 2 identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, then we have to find out the value of I plus A square plus dot dot up to infinity. So we have to find out the value of this expression, right? Let us start the solution. We know that the value of this expression 1 plus x square plus dot 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 up to infinity is 1 by 1 minus x within the radius of convergence, right? So we can write this expression as 1 by 1 minus x within the radius of convergence. So we also can write this as 1 minus x is inverse. Now we can put the value of x equal to a. Put x equal to a. If we put x equal to a, we will get I plus a plus a square plus dot 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 is up to infinity is equal to I minus a its inverse. So the value of this expression is I minus a its inverse. So we have to find out the value of I minus a inverse. Okay, so I minus a, the value of I is 1 0 0 1, sorry, this is 0 1 1 0 0 1 minus the matrix A. The value of A is -1 3 by 2, -1 3 by 2, -1 by 2 and 1 by 2, -1 by 2 and 1 by 2, right? So the value of this expression is equal to, if we subtract this matrix from this matrix, we will get 2 minus 3 by 2 half and half. Okay, so this is our I minus a. We have to find its inverse. Okay, we have to find out the inverse of I minus a whole inverse is equal to the value of this I minus a is equal to the matrix 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 its inverse. Now what is the inverse of a matrix? It is adjoint by its determinant. So how to find the adjoint of a 2 cross 2 matrix? We just need to exchange the elements of principal diagonal. So we have to exchange 2 with 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 with 2, that is 1 by 2 2, and need to change the sign of this diagonal, that is 3 by 2 and minus half. This is our adjoint of this matrix, and need to divide this adjoint by its date, that is 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 3 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus half and 2 multiplied by 4 by 7, right? So we can write this as 4 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and 2. Okay, now we also can write this as 2 by 7 into 1, 3 minus 1 and 4, right? So this is our answer, that is 2 by 7 into the matrix 1 3 minus 1 4. Let us see the options. That is 2 by 7 into 1 3 minus 1 4. That is option C is our correct option. Okay, that's all about the question number 1. Let's start the question number 2, which says that for a real x, box x denote the greatest integer less than or equal to x, then the value of box of half plus 1 by 100 plus half plus 2 by 100 plus dot dot half plus 99 by 100 is equal to. Okay, so we have to find out the value of this expression. Let us start the solution. Okay, first of all, observe the function box x. Box x is equal to greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, the value of box x is greatest integer less than or equal to x. Now if 0 less or equals to x less than 1, the value of box x must be 0. Okay, if 1 less or equal to x less than 2, the value of box x is 1, and 2 less or equal to x less than 3, the value of box x is 2. So we can say that the value of box of half is equal to 0, right? We can say that the value of box of half is equal to 0. Now I am writing this term in a general form, that is half plus x by 100, where the value of x lying between 1 to 99 and x belongs to natural number. Okay. Now let us check the values of x for which box of half plus x by 100 becomes 1. Okay. So box of half plus x by 100 will be 1 if half plus x by 100 is greater or equal to 1. So we can write that x by 100 is greater or equal to 1 minus half. So we also can write that x by 100 is greater or equal to half. So it will imply x is greater or equal to 50, right? So the value of x half plus x by 100 is box of half plus x by 100 is 1 whenever x is greater or equal to 50. Okay. Now let us check whether the value of half plus x by 100 becomes 2 or not. Half plus box of half plus x by 100 will be 2 if half plus x by 100 greater or equal to 2, that is x by 100 greater or equal to 2 minus half, that is x by 100 greater or equal to 3 by 2, that is x greater or equal to 150. You can see the maximum value of x is 99. So half plus x by 100 can never be 2. Now let us start with the given expression. Half plus 1 by 100, half plus 2 by 100 plus dot dot half plus 49 by 100 plus half plus 50 by 100 plus dot dot half plus 99 by 100, right? So we can say that the value of half is box of half is 0, half plus 1 by 100 is 0 up to half plus 49 by 100, right? So putting half box of half is equal to 0 plus dot dot till now it is 0. So it is 0. How many times? It is starting from 0, 1, 2 up to 49. So it is 50. Okay. Plus half plus 50 by 100 is 1 plus half plus 51 by 100 1 plus dot dot up to half plus 99 by 100 is equal to 1. Now how many numbers are there? This starting from 49 to 99 is 50. So the value of this is equal to 50. So option B is our correct option.